Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your class of accounting, first year intermediate. This is your question of correction of errors, and we are here for solving the past paper question of Kareem Brothers. Okay, so let's start towards your question. This was your home assignment, which have done by the participants. We are here the checking our answers. We have first transaction, purchase of stationery for rupees 1200. It means we have purchased stationery. Your correct journal entry was stationery debited and cash credited, and was wrongly recorded as purchases debit and cash credit. Now you have to rectify it, and you have to write down the answers. If you want the correct answers, what you will do, यू विल मेक द स्टेशनरी डेबिट, क्योंकि करेक्ट में आपके पास स्टेशनरी डेबिट होना चाहिए था, एंड जो अकाउंटेंट ने रॉन्गली परचेजेस को डेबिट कर दिया है हम उसको क्रेडिट में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. ठीक है. देन I proceed towards question number 7 part B. Should I write it down for you people so that you can understand it well? mm. Asha, basically the first entry which we have to go through is stationary debit. Yeah, stationery should be debited and then cash will be credited. This will be your correct entry. And then the which is made by the accountant is your entry. Purchases debited and then cash credit. Now you want to rectify it. What you will do, you will rectify it. The stationery should be debit. Okay. And then on the contrary, purchases will be credit because purchases is wrongly debited by the accountant. All three entries on your screen. In the correct entry, we have to record purchases should be debit and cash credit. The entry which is done wrong by the accountant is your purchases debit and then cash credit. And then the third one, we have the corrected entry that will be stationary debited and purchases credit. Okay, so purchases. Okay, clear. Now we have to proceed towards the next entry. Yes. Your next entry will be related to construction as addition of office building. Rupees 30,000 was wrongly debited to repair expense account. Okay. Means construction of building. You can say it can be your construction expense because we are doing some construction for the business. हम अपने business को expand कर रहे हैं. Construction expense should be debited and cash will be credited. ठीक है बेटा. अमाउंट्स में नहीं लिख रही हूँ, अमाउंट्स की मिस्टेक नहीं है इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे अमाउंट्स मेंशन नहीं करी. सब में 30,000 ही आएगा. जिस ट्रांजेक्शन में हमें अमाउंट में मिस्टेक नजर आएगी हम फिर उसको रिकॉर्ड करते हैं अमाउंट के साथ. ठीक है. वैसे आप लोग एग्जाम्स में अमाउंट मेंशन कीजिएगा. लाइक फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन द अमाउंट ओवर हियर. ठीक है. आपको हर ट्रांजेक्शन के साथ अमाउंट लिखनी होगी. क्लियर बेटे. Now next we have to record accountant ने उसको by mistake क्या record किया. Accountant has recorded as repair expense. Okay. Accountant has recorded this as a repair expense. Clear. Now what we have to do, we have to make it correct. तो जो हमें accountant ने by mistake repair expense को debit कर दिया है हम उसको credit कर देंगे, और हमारा जो construction expense है हम उसको बेटे debit कर लेंगे. ठीक है. कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्सपेंस विल बी डेबिटेड, जिसको एक्चुअली डेबिट ही होना चाहिए था. एंड देन योर वेट repair expense will be credited. This will be a correct entry for the second transaction. It is very easy. We have gone through such transaction before also, and we have done many times such transactions. Then next we have the third transaction. Defective goods returned by a customer for rupees 2000 were charged to sales account. It means the goods are defective and customers return it. It means this will be your sales return. Customer has returned this. If the customer is returning your goods, it means this will be a sales return. We are recording sales return usually in the debitor side. Sales return will be debited, and I'm writing cash credited. वैसे यूजली अकाउंट रिसीवेबल होता है, बट यहाँ पे ऑन अकाउंट का वर्ड मेंशन नहीं है, सो दैट्स व्हाई हम इसको एज अ सेल्स रिटर्न बाय कैश कर रहे हैं. देन वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड एज अ सेल्स चार्ज टू सेल्स अकाउंट. व्हाट अकाउंटेंट हैज डन द मिस्टेक ओवर हियर, he has wrongly charged to sales account. It means what, that he has to rectify it. He wrongly charged it, he recorded as sales. Wait, there is some typing mistake in my keyboard. Okay. Mhm. It is making some mistakes over here. It's not working. Wait. Wait for a while, please. Sometime my laptop gets hang down. I don't know why. He charged it as sales account. So what we have to do? We have to record it. Mm, yes. He recorded as sales. Okay. Now what you have to do? What is your sales return amount? It should be 2000, and then cash will be of 2000. Okay. In transaction number 3, we have done that the correct entry by the accountant is it should be our sales return debit and cash credit. Accountant has recorded in the sales, that will be your cash debit, sales credited, and then you have to record it one entry for the correction of two accounts. Sales return will be debited and sales will also be debited. Okay. So we have to focus number 3, the third transaction. It's very easy. Depreciation expense on machinery was overcharged by rupees 1000. Okay, it is overcharged. So what will be the journal entry for the depreciation? We are recording depreciation expense debit. Okay, and then allowance for, wait, allowance for depreciation credit. This is the correct entry. What they have done, depreciation expense on machinery was overcharged by 1000. We don't know, okay, what is the actual amount. हमारे पास correct entry बननी चाहिए 1000 से. ठीक है बेटे, और हमने 1000 से बना दी. Accountant, what he has done the mistake, he recorded depreciation expense and then allowance. Again, oh my god. Allowance for depreciation, he has overcharged by 1000. We don't know which amounts, from which amount he overcharged, so we record it as a 2000. And then what we will do, we will record this transaction. अब उसने overcharge कर दिया है किस amount से, 1000 से उसने overcharge किया, but we are not sure कि वो amount कौन सी थी. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या amount बन गई है. वेट, मैं allowance को थोड़ा सॉरी. सॉरी, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल. हमारे पास करेक्ट अमाउंट क्या बनी है बेटे, 2000 से उसने ओवरचार्ज किया है. ठीक है, एंड देन अगेन मैं यहाँ पे अलाउंस की वैल्यू छोटी कर दूंगी तो आपके पास डेबिट क्रेडिट इक्वल आ जाएगा. ठीक है, वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड कि अकाउंटेंट ने 1000 से हमने अकाउंट सपोज करा और उसने उसको 2000 रिकॉर्ड कर दिया है. नाउ वो जो उसने 2000 जिस अमाउंट को रिकॉर्ड कर दिया है, हमें इसमें से 1000 माइनस करने हैं. सो वी रिकॉर्ड द रिवर्स एंट्री फॉर दिस. Allowance, oh my god, allowance for depreciation, and then डेप्रिसिएशन। ये बात आपको समझनी चाहिए बेटे कि हमारे पास जिस अकाउंट में से हमने अलाउंस फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन यहाँ पे 2000 था, इसमें से 1000 माइनस करने हैं, तो क्रेडिट वाले को मैंने डेबिट कर दिया है 1000 से, ठीक है। और डेप्रिसिएशन एक्सपेंस यहाँ पे 2000 है, इसमें से भी मुझे 1000 माइनस करने हैं, तो मैंने इसको भी, जो कि डेबिट में 2000 था, इसमें से 1000 माइनस करने हैं, तो मैंने क्रेडिट में 1000 लिख दिया। दिस इज योर three entries. Number one is your correct, then wrong, and then corrected, which is shown on your screen. Hope so it is clear, no such problems. Then I proceed towards the next entry. The cash of 900 received from a customer name as Naseem, okay, and was recorded as Nasreen. So whenever we receive the cash, we record the entry cash debit 900, okay. And then account receivable will be your अकाउंट रिसीवेबल हमने किससे लिए हैं, नसीम से लिए हैं। ब्रैकेट में मैं नेम मेंशन कर देती हूँ, नसीम, एंड देन आई विल राइट इट डाउन 900, ठीक है। दिस विल बी माय फर्स्ट एंट्री, जो कि करेक्ट होनी चाहिए थी। मैंने रॉन्ग में क्या किया है, कैश डेबिट एंड देन अकाउंट रिसीवेबल, ब्रैकेट में मैंने रॉन्ग में नसरीन का नाम लिख दिया है बेटा, ठीक है। एंड देन आई रिसीव द सेम अमाउंट, ठीक है, 900। 900 मैंने रॉन्ग पर्सन के अकाउंट में अमाउंट चार्ज कर दिया। नाउ हेयर हमें कैश के अकाउंट को करेक्टिफाई नहीं करना, आपको करेक्टिफाई करना है सिर्फ अकाउंट रिसीवेबल में, क्योंकि आपने नसीम के पास पैसे लिखने थे और आपने गलती से नसरीन के पास लिख दिए। तो जो इस वक्त क्रेडिट अकाउंट है आप उसको डेबिट कर दीजिए, और जो इसको क्रेडिट होना है उसको सही एंट्री में क्रेडिट कर दीजिए। हाउ आई एम करेक्टिफाइंग इट, मैं लिखूंगी अकाउंट रिसीवेबल, ब्रैकेट में लिखती हूँ बेटे नसरीन शुड बी डेबिट विद 900। नसीम को नसरीन को मुझे खत्म करना है, जो कि गलत रिकॉर्डिंग हुई हुई थी। ओवर हेयर आई एम मूविंग माय कर्सर, यू ऑल कैन सी, ठीक है। इस वाले अकाउंट को जो कि क्रेडिट में है, मुझे इसको खत्म करने के लिए मैंने डेबिट में लिख दिया, ठीक है। एंड देन नेक्स्ट अकाउंट रिसीवेबल, अगेन अकाउंट रिसीवेबल, और इधर मैं लिख दूंगी बेटे नसीम, ठीक है, 900। एक्चुअली मुझे ये रिकॉर्ड करना था। सो दिस इज माय करेक्ट एंट्री फॉर दिस ट्रांजेक्शन। होप सो इट इज क्लियर। The complete transaction is on your screen. Then how you're recording this, we have the correct entry cash debit 900, then account receivable, this of Naseem, it should be credit 900. In your wrong entry it is recorded to wrong Mr. Naseem के पास जाने थे, आपने नसरीन के पास लिख दिए। एंट्री में कोई गलती नहीं है, अमाउंट में भी कोई गलती नहीं है, बट नेम ऑफ द पर्सन में मिस्टेक आ रही है हमारे पास। देन वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड द करेक्टेड एंट्री, कि जिसको हमने क्रेडिट था उसको डेबिट में कर दिया, और जो एक्चुअली आपको क्रेडिट करना था उसको आपने यहाँ पे क्रेडिट कर दिया है, ठीक है। दिस इज योर second last transaction, okay। Before proceeding towards the last, I have to make it correctify, and for the correctify you have recording drawing debit and general expense is credited. This is your last entry in which we are recording it, yet that your proprietor's home TV will be treated as your drawing, and when you are recording in your debited, so general expense account will be debit and cash credit. To correctify it, अकाउंटेंट ने बाय मिस्टेक जनरल एक्सपेंस को डेबिट लिखा था, हम उसको क्रेडिट लिख देंगे, और जो एक्चुअली डेबिट होना चाहिए था ड्राइंग को, आपने उसको डेबिट में लिख दिया। सो दिस इज योर कंप्लीट recording of all the transactions. Once again, I will show you or give you the recapitulation. Then I want to discuss with something you. The transaction of number A is the stationary debit cash credit. Your wrong transaction is purchases debit cash credit, and your corrected is stationary debit purchases credit. Now for B, we have construction expense debit cash credit, then we have repair expense debit cash credit, and the corrected entries construction expense debit and repair expense credited. Then number C, we have sales return debit cash credit. The accountant has recorded as cash debit sales credit. In this transaction, both the account need to be correctified by recording on the debit side sales return and sales Then we have to go for the number D, depreciation expense debit, allowance for depreciation credit with 1000. This should be a corrected answer. Then what we have done, the accountant recorded is overcharged. ज़्यादा record कर दिया है, was overcharged by rupees 1000. So depreciation expense treated as 2000, allowance for depreciation is 2000. Corrected entry is allowance for depreciation is 1000 and depreciation expense is 1000. And then we have E part is we have to record cash debit and account receivable credited, and then on the wrong entry we have cash debit, again account receivable credited, only the name of the person is varied. In number one we have Naseem, in correct entry. In wrong entry we have Nasreen, and in the corrected entry we have account receivable debited, and in credited we have account receivable. But in debit account receivable Nasreen name is mentioned, and in credited account receivable Naseem name is mentioned. Okay, then I come towards your last, that will be your last correct entry is drawing debit, cash credit. The wrong will be general expense debit and cash credit, and corrected will be in drawings debit and general expense credit. This is all you have done from the correction of errors in today's class. Hope so your concepts of recording the transaction is more clear. As I told you people that what you are basically doing and learning is this, you are not only practicing the correction of errors, basically you are practicing the journal entries also in the same topic. So this topic covers the two topics of your board exam, that will be your correction of errors and your journal entry also. Thank you so much.